Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to revamp a terracotta pot. Now it's all flaking off, it's all coming away, so I did want to do something really nice to it. Now I was painting my fence panels the other day, and actually it said on the side, it said colours wood, terracotta, stone and brick. So I thought I'm going to give this a revamp because it's going to look really nice on it. So if you want to know how it turns out, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first of all we're going to have to get all this paint off, so I'm just using a bit of flexible card on here, which is like a credit cardy sort of thing, or a privilege card, which I don't use anymore. So I'm just going to scrape all the flaky bits all off. Now you can use a little scraper now to get the rest off, and with that you can just take it along and it'll come off. That's going to take you a while, but you just need a sharp sort of scraper. So I've just got a little blade here. Once you're happy with what you've taken off, just give it a nice light sand. Now I've come inside because it's got a few dark clouds out of there, and I don't want to mess this up, so I don't want it to get wet or anything like that. So I brought it in and I've put it on a little candle stand, so that means I can put it on top of there and then paint to the bottom of it, and it won't get anything damaged down at the bottom, because when you're sort of painting, it's sort of on the table. So that's one tip. My next bit was I was going to paint it muted clay, but having a conversation with my eldest son, who does all the videos for me, he wants me to do it in wild thyme, and so that's what I'm going to do. Well, I'm going to give it its first coat. I think he was right with the colour choice. I think wild thyme is an actual better colour, and it goes on really nice. Then just leave that to dry. If you want to speed up the drying time, just use a hairdryer. The pot's now had 2 coats of paint, and I think it's come up really nice. Now this pot has some intricate little work on here, all the indentations on it, so I'm going to paint all these fine little bits in here. I'm going to paint it with the muted clay, what I was going to use with the pot first of all, but my son changed it. So I'm going to use that. Now if you don't have any indentations on there, then you can always just get a stencil and put the stencil onto the actual pot, and then you can stipple it, and that will sort of come out nice. And you can choose, maybe a gold colour would look nice on there as well, or a rose gold would actually bring out the features on it. But I'm just going to use a tiny little thin paintbrush and do all the little tiny intricate work. Now the pot's had 2 coats, and all the intricate detail there has had 2 coats as well, and I've done it all the way around the pot, so it's got the nice uniform look. Don't forget you can do that with a stencil as well, and that would look amazing. But I'm really happy and chuffed with this pot, and it's turned out really well. And I want you guys to go out in your garden or your sheds or anything like that and find out any terracotta pots and have a go yourself, because I really enjoyed it, and I want you guys to have a go. If you've liked the video, give me a little thumbs up. If you really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next video.